SAML versus OAuth. If you've ever nodded in a meeting pretending you know the difference, this video is for you. Because here's the truth, most developers mix them up, most interviews test them, and most companies use one or both. In the next 3 minutes, you'll finally understand the difference, clearly and forever. Let's go. First, the simplest explanation. SAML equals authentication. OAuth equals authorization. Authentication answers, who are you? Authorization answers, what are you allowed to access? Now let's break it down visually. Imagine you're trying to access a company dashboard. Step 1, you request access to the app. Step 2, the app says, I don't know you. Step 3, it redirects you to a login page, usually your company's identity provider. You enter your credentials. Behind the scenes, the identity provider checks your details against Active Directory or a user database. If everything is valid, it sends back something called a SAML assertion. Think of it like a signed passport stamp. The app trusts that stamp, and boom, you're logged in. That's why SAML is heavily used in enterprise single sign-on environments, like corporate systems. Key idea. SAML is all about securely proving identity between organizations using XML-based messages. It's enterprise-focused, it's browser-based, it's authentication-heavy. Now let's switch to OAuth. Imagine you're trying to access a third-party app to your Google Drive. You click Log in with Google. Did you give them your password? No. Instead, the app requests authorization. You log in through Google. Google asks, do you allow this app to access your files? You approve, and Google sends back an access token. That token is like a temporary valet key. It doesn't give full access, it gives limited, scoped access. OAuth is not about logging you in. It's about letting apps access resources on your behalf safely. That's why OAuth powers log in with Google, log in with Facebook, API access, mobile apps, modern web applications. It's token-based, it's API-friendly, it's built for modern internet apps. So here's the final cheat sheet. SAML equals authentication, enterprise single sign-on, XML-based, browser redirects. OAuth equals authorization, token-based access, API and mobile-friendly, scoped permissions. And bonus, if you hear OpenID Connect, that's authentication built on top of OAuth. Now you'll never confuse them again. If this helped you understand it clearly, like, subscribe, and send this to the friend who still thinks OAuth is for login only. See you in the next one.